Hello, today we're back here. Today down here, this here Holmes Creek down here. You know, it's pretty big too, so we're the undisclosed location. You ain't gonna find us. But you see that little island right there? There's a hill up there. Water ain't too deep. But you know, I look around in some of these places right here. It's why you're not allowed to camp here, because you leave trash out here. I mean, why you think they got the mad deer disease? Wouldn't you be mad? Wouldn't you be walking like a zombie and think people's all up in your house and your refrigerator, leaving dirty diapers and clothes and cans and whatnot, towels? I mean, man, there's wardrobe there. What y'all expecting? The animals to come over to our side and start wearing clothes? I mean, what's the deal? But anyway, keep it clean, man. Pick up your trash. But as y'all see, I got my dog Zero with me. Tell you what, people. Come on, Zero. You country. You gotta get on out in the woods. Good girl, Zero. Good girl. Look here, done did find me out here in the woods. A good old cane pole. If somebody lost, I'd like you to contact me. Try to find me if you can. You know what it was. It ain't there no more. Anyway, like I said, take your trash with you. I got my cigarette butt right here. It's going in my pocket. Yes, sir. Only you can prevent forest fires. Remember, you can learn a lot from a dummy. God bless you. Now, look here, people. Sometimes when you hear somebody coming, you stealth camping, you just need to do this stuff like right. Zero. Let's go. Come on, Zero, back. Remember, people, you seen it here first, live. God bless y'all. I don't know. I think they own me, boys. Gotta get back. They watching, you know what I mean? For nothing, but hey, I'm just out here trying to get mine, homie. You know what I mean? That's their meat for y'all, so I don't understand. Sometimes they like to drink a little water, supple, I understand. I like coons because they're clean too. If you ever had a fricassee, fried, deep, it don't matter. Put the sauce on them. God bless y'all. We just did buckle up. Putting her in gear. We easing on back out the woods, you know what I mean? Hold on there, get a little bumpy here. Ooh, Nelly. Ain't show you all where it's at. Whoops. I'm sorry, but it's that time of year. Eyes itching right here. I got my piercing. Anyway, you know what I'm saying? That's where we at, people. We're about to go back this way and save some gas. That's the way they have to pay for it in America. God bless y'all, America. No, I didn't get that from whatever his name is. Whatever. Whoever. Goodbye. Don't cost you nothing. Next, I'm at the store, fellas, with the famous Michael T. Michael T. hails from California. He's brought some of them special seedless grapes that's out of season for us. God bless y'all. Here in the supermarket. I don't see no empty shelves like they got all over the internet. They lying to y'all. Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes,
Is there not a crap load of groceries here?
a lot.
And this is local. Yeah, they charge 10% extra, but hey, they got the food. That's what matters. There's some strange folks go around these parks and they be eyeballing you and whatnot. Thought that dude was looking at me. I'm over here in the cow section, getting the milk. Y'all look at this sausage they got back here. Y'all tell me they ain't no. Now, if these is them clone cows, I understand, but this here sausage is probably smoked and looks pretty good. God bless y'all. Have something to eat on us. I would like to report a lost buggy. If you're the owner of that buggy and you haven't paid for those items, you might better return them. It's all about the shelf life, not the buggy life, right? Look at the food, people. all the foul language you hear around these aisles. People cussing and whatnot. That's wrong. Because there's too much food. What do I buy? And the wife says, get another one so we don't run out. We're representing zaps. They will zap you with high cholesterol, stuff like that. Y'all remember during rodeo weekend, come out and get y'all some of these mini Sprites. Since you know y'all be mixing them anyway. Some mini Cokes. And I think I'll have some mini carts, mini horses, little Shetland ponies this year right here. Yeah, and midgets, little people, sorry. God bless the little pygmies. Okay, America, we pulling out? I'm gonna think of a different name. I ain't calling y'all that. Because, you know, I'm known all over. International, baby, like the Spy. Yeah, Austin Powers. I need like $5 right now. Just for Robin. Anyway, we put a seatbelt on. Safety comes first, people. Safety, safety, safety. That's what I told that woman that hit the rear end last year. Sorry, man. It looked like a brake check to me. We'll have to battle that court. But anyway, we seeing the horses getting out and whatnot. We're going to be live with y'all throughout the rodeo. We just ain't going to be in the rodeo. Like I said, I ain't in the Shetland ponies. And, you know, who wants to see somebody get bucked off a bicycle or something, but it's got little hairy legs? I mean, what's them sort of mini Budweiser bottles? Anyway, they're mini Clydesdales. Well, today was a very important day. I had to go get some of my medicine. Y'all see it right here? That's what we like down south. Hoover's Cornbread. Okay? It's the best they make, y'all. You can put cracklings in it. I mean, whatever your thing is. Just remember, if you're in Northwest Florida, you could probably, and these people I don't even know, they didn't give me this, I bought this. Been buying it all my life. This is what put meat on the bone. Look at Bobby Little. Okay? Right here. Hoover's cornmeal, okay? Right? I want y'all to see that. If it's backwards, look at it in the mirror with your phones, all I can tell you. Okay? Here it is. I can't make you eat it. I can lead you to a cross. Remember, you're going to have some good cornbread, some greens, turnips. Look.
All the wrong I've done, I've been an outlaw my whole life, so I'm always on the run. So
I'm sitting here with my head down.